The definition of an apprenticeship is a paid job where the employee learns and gains valuable experiences. But it is not just the apprentice who is gaining knowledge during their apprenticeship. Apprentices bring so much value to a workplace and it doesn't go unnoticed. They bring a fresh perspective and new ideas into a team, and we aim to develop and nurture them into the next generation of skilled employees in the business. As an organisation, we benefit from apprentices hugely, and it's in our interest that we provide them with opportunities to progress and shine. We've asked some of our apprentice managers and mentors to tell us what working with an apprentice means to them.
I think apprentices are a good asset to the team because they bring a new dynamic to the team. They're young, they're enthusiastic, they're constantly asking questions, wanting to learn it the SMC way.
Apprentices ask you questions that you've not thought of for a long time because everything's new. Every time I do apprentice training, I'm re-educating myself because I'm having to learn how to give you the proper way to do things or give you better knowledge skills.
I think the biggest positive for me in having an apprentice in the team is it has changed the mentality of some of the more senior people, where they need to explain to them why they're doing the task, how to do it, and giving them some of their experience.
Having an apprentice has been a really good thing. It's nice knowing that there's someone there who is really interested in what you're doing, willing to do the work and takes on board what you have to say.
It's great to see someone learn something new. So actually seeing someone work something out for themselves, getting them to have that light bulb moment where you're showing them a process and actually then understand it, and then it enforces that understanding. So if they can figure it out for themselves and you see them grow and learn, then the next time it happens you see them deal with it themselves. They don't need someone to tell them. So actually seeing their growth is something that's really get a lot out of, and it's really good to see.
My favourite thing about being a mentor is when the apprentices come to ask me for some advice on some tooling or a problem that they've got, being able to help them and then coming back to me and showing appreciation for my knowledge I've passed on to them.
I'd say the biggest positive is that it's been really rewarding for everyone to help out. Just finishing my apprenticeship myself, it's good to use the skills that I've learned into teaching them.
When you train the apprentices up, they get to know all of the different areas of the business, and then they can pass that knowledge on to the new apprentices every time they come in. I started with the company in 1993 as an apprentice. I'm still here 31 years later. I've worked myself from an apprentice to now being the hold-on leader for the machining department.
My favourite thing in working with apprentices is how rewarding it is for me and seeing them grow. Starting with their technical skills, how much they improved, all the way to the communication. I can see the way they communicate, judging from when they joined where they are now. It's a huge leap.
The biggest challenge to industry in Europe at the moment is skilled staff, replacement of staff, succession planning for staff. And apprentices allow you to get people in and teach them all parts of your business and find which bit suits them the best.
Apprentices, I think, are the future. So if we can train them in the SMC way as well as the engineering way, then we know that their foundation and their basis is going to be very strong for us in the future.
One way the company really benefits from the apprentices is we're growing our own talent. I mean, if you think about it, the youth, the energy, the enthusiasm, I have a completely different way of looking at things which challenges the status quo. That's invaluable.
The knowledge, skills and behaviours that they learn are the key values for the company. We hope that they will be the future managers within SMC.
To find out more, visit our apprenticeships page on our website.